Yo, 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 what's up, man? It's the boy, Yo Majesty. I am in the building. I'm in the house. Nah, for real, though. Actually, I'm in the backyard, though. You know what I'm saying? It's the backyard. I can't show you everything. But anyway, man, make sure you check out that Facebook page. Make sure you check out that YouTube page. Make sure you check out the Instagram page, man. I got them hard tracks on there. I got songs on there. You know what I'm saying? There's going to be some daily blogs, you know what I'm saying? My testimony, you know what I'm saying? In this rap game, beat game, or whatever you want to call it, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and it's all good, man. Hey, love life, man. And in order to love life, you gotta live life, man. Live it to the fullest, you know what I'm saying? Despite what people may say, whether you're doing wrong or whether you're doing right, you know what I'm saying? Just do it how you want to do it how you feel you need to do it, you know what I'm saying? Despite, motherfuckers gonna hate or whatever, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. The most important thing is, man, do you, you know what I'm saying? And, it is what it is. That's what I do, you know what I'm saying? Nigga like it, don't like it, I don't care. It is what it is, B. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, only the strong survive. And ain't nobody gonna out-hustle me. Ain't nobody gonna outwork me or nothing. You know what I'm saying? Because that's just me. That's the boy, Yo Majesty. That's who I am. I'm a king. You know what I'm saying? I run a castle. And that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? I got heartburn like a motherfucker. I ain't keep drinking them beers, man. But anyway, yeah, like I said, man, it's the boy, Yo Majesty. I'm just hollering at you cats, man. Checking in, man. Peace.